I know we have a lot of international passengers here, so I just gotta keep on talking. So, welcome aboard to our vessel, the ML. I'm your lady. Today's crew consists of Captain Donald. Bartender is Joshua. My name is Jorge. I'll be your narrator. So, here are the following safety announcements. In case of an emergency, we will use the life jackets that are underneath the blue cushions in the last row of the second floor. Speaking of emergencies, for safety, courtesy, and neatness, please keep all the chairs. Did you know that 71% of the population in Miami is Spanish-speaking? That makes us a bilingual city like Montreal, and that's why we always have to do the trip in English instead. And of course, for the constant construction, not only back then, but still today. Y hablando de mujeres, ¿sabían que Miami, Florida, es la única ciudad grande de los Estados Unidos fundada por una designed by Richard Alinsky? The mansion is 4 years old, 22 million, belongs to Dr. Jonathan Rothberg, a scientist and entrepreneur from Connecticut, and founder of 454 Life Sciences. A la izquierda tenemos la primera mansión del paseo, la de la estatua del gorila rojo, diseñada por Richard Alinsky. La Griffin. Bueno, Ken Griffin es el director ejecutivo de la firma de inversiones Citadel en Chicago. Él va a mover la oficina aquí a Miami y está comprando propiedades ahí. The century-old mansion now belongs to Turkish entrepreneur Engin Çeşil. He's the founder of the contact lens company Lens Express, which is now 1-800-CONTACT. Today he's CEO of SK Realty Ventures and Gentron. More than a century ago, so they bought it for $30 million 4 years ago. Slav is an author of books. Roger, creator of Beauty.com, and owner of Shackley Companies that makes household, beauty, and health. And there's also the Prosper Museum at Florida International University. Y el valor neto de esta persona, 2,000 millones. La propiedad, 6 acres con un invernadero. La mansión de 24 años, construida en 58. The category for hurricane. The mansions belong to British entrepreneur Jonathan Brown, owner of the food processing company Magnite Food Group. Bienes raíces y hasta utilizó su elefanta, Rosie, para su publicidad. Así de loco y determinado era él. Bueno, funcionó. Lazos Park, which is right there. El Parque Sound Point, que ahí está. The Beach, la playa. Lomas Park, Parque Lomas. Ocean Drive, Gianni Versace Mansion, Mansión de Gianni Versace. Española Way, Lincoln Road. Bell Harbor Shops. Fountain Blue Hotel, el Hotel Fountain Blue. Fillmore Theater, Teatro Fillmore, Miami Beach Botanical Gardens, los Jardines Botánicos de Miami Beach, and CVS Pharmacy, la farmacia CVS. Which CVS? There's like 10 of them. The one on Ocean Drive. It was a hotel built in 1939, but it built the